In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram messages. So first thing you wanna do is very simple. Open settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager now, wait, scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Force stop the app, and after you force stop the app, now all what you wanna do is click on the storage right here. Click on clear data and delete, and then go back into the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 3 seconds and disable it, and then restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.